Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Shish. For those who are new here, karibuni sana. For the returnees, karibuni tena sana and feel at home. So in today's video, we are doing a haul and I'm cooking. Yeah, for now I'm cooking meat with beans and arrowroots and potatoes as a stew. So guys, hope you're going to enjoy the video and stick by and also watch till the end. So I've not boiled my beans, my green beans. Yeah, so I'm adding this one. This here is courgette and tomato and capsicum. So I'll wait for them to cook, because I'm going to cook these do we call them arrowroots and potatoes? Yeah, that's what I'm cooking. Arrowroots and potatoes, yeah, for stew. We have rice here. Yeah, so I'm going to eat with rice and some chapatis that I bought from the market. Guys, here I'm adding cubes. This is Royco cubes, for those who know Royco cubes. Yeah, that's what I've added. Yeah, and I've also added some salt. Yeah, and so they're done. So I'm just going to add my potatoes and my arrowroots. Let me stir them, then we get back to you. That's it. I'm going to wait for it to steam a little bit, then I will add some water. Yeah, I just love it. I can't wait to eat. So guys, I already added some soup. As you can see, I'll just wait for them to boil till they're ready, till it's ready. Yeah, so I'm just going to add my coriander and my garlic. Inside here we have garlic and coriander. Yeah, so I'm just going to mix them. Then I wait for them to cook. Okay, and don't mind about the soup. For me upenda kasupu kengi hivyo kwa sababu mtoto wangu na supu anapenda supu sana. So that's why I'm putting a lot of soup. If you see my food with lots of soup, don't mind and don't worry guys, cause my baby cannot eat food without soup. That's why. So I'm just going to wait for it to cook, then let's go ahead and do the shopping haul. So guys, as we wait for the food to get cooked, I'm going to show you the grocery haul that I bought today. Yeah, so I'm just going to do this as quick as I can. I bought Zenta and it was 800 grams. It was going for 190 shillings. Yeah, I also bought 2 bathing soaps. Menengai, I'm going to try this Menengai. I've never tried it. And then this D-Trex. They were both going for 50-50 bob. And also I bought this. I love this Nini oil, body lotion, nice and lovely. It was going for 150. Yeah, and also I bought this Casmol, nice and lovely glycerin. It is for cocoa butter, as you can see. Nini baba? Cocoa butter. Yeah, and also this one is for cocoa butter. What is? I also bought this Nuru. It's for washing dishes. I bought daddy ni nini yaki? I bought a 2 liter. Okay, this is for 3 liters, but I bought for 2 liters ya kupimwa. Yeah, it was going for, this one was going for 100 bob. This one was going for how much? It was going for 1 liter was going for 220. So 2 liters was going for 40. Yeah. So for this, it was going for these diapers, it was going for 520. Yeah, it really takes me a long way. Yeah, nowadays it takes me almost 2 months or 1.5. Yeah, because he only wears at night when he sleeps. So that's it. It was going for 520. Yeah, so I bought these toilets. Yeah, it was going for 140 shillings. There are four packs. Well, it was going for 140. Yeah, and I also bought these Sunny Girls. May love Sunny Girls. Yeah, only for 55. Yeah, and also the soft care wipes, I love them. They save me a lot. It was going for 140 shillings. Yeah, this time round imepanda, nimeishi kuinunua 120, so it was going for 140 shillings. Yeah, so I bought this 1 kg Soko. 1 kg Soko was going for 100 shillings. 2 kg Soko was going for 190 shillings. Yeah, I bought the spaghetti dawati. For dawati, this one was going for 80 shillings, so the 2 was going for 160 shillings. Yeah, and I also bought two porridge flour for Daima Plus. I love this porridge flour. Yeah, so this one was going for 40 shillings. I bought 2. Yeah, they will take him for 2 months also. Yeah, and also this sugar, I bought sugar for 2 kgs and a half. 1 kg was going for 150. Yeah, 1 kg was going for 150 shillings. So divide by 2. I don't know the half one was going for how much. You can do the math. 1 kg 150, so divide by 2, you'll get the price of this one. I don't know if it's 75, something like that. Yeah, that was sugar, 2 kgs and a half. Yeah, I also bought these cubes. These cubes was going for 125 shillings. Eden tea, this one was going for 50 shillings. Yeah, and I bought rice. This rice, it's for kupima. For those who knows rice ya kupima. Yeah, it was going for this is Pishori. It was going for 190 shillings, and I bought 3 kgs, so it was going for 570 shillings. And I love it so much. I really love it. I love using Bishori rice, yeah, rather than the other rice. Okay, for me I prefer this rice. Yeah, we are done. We are here now. This one's, let me open. Yeah, so guys, this time round I opted to go with the sachet Downy. Yeah, so I bought this Vim. It was going for 110. It is even written there. It is Vim. Yeah, I also bought this Happy. It was going also for 110 shillings. I bought the Safisha, the Soko steel wool. it was going for tatu mbao, for tatu mbao like this, tatu mbao. So I bought 6 of them, tatu mbao. Yeah, so they were 40 shillings. And also this Colgate, it was going for 70 shillings, even though I have another one, haijaisha bado. So for these sachets, I bought how many? I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they were going for one was going for 20 shillings. So you can do the math. So I guess it was going for 8 times what? Times 20, 160 shillings. So guys, I opted to go with this time round because I saw the other one ninaitumia vibaya sana. So this, at least hii nikikuwa naosha natumia 2 of, like in a rondly I use 2. It is much cheaper than, yeah, because in a month I usually do my rondly 4 times, or yeah, 4 times. Yeah, because every week I do my rondly, so it is 4 times. So you can see this one is 1 week, these two 2 weeks, then 3 weeks, then 4 weeks. It's better because you find when I buy the other one inaishanga hata before the month is nini imeisha. Yeah, that's it guys, hope you have enjoyed my haul. Yeah, and kindly, if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, you like, you watch till the end, and I'm going to appreciate. So guys, the food is done. The food is done, and also the soup is gone. The soup is literally gone. Hakuna supu imeisha, but this iko sawa, haina shida. Yeah, so I'm going to serve the food, then you're going to eat. Yeah, let me serve then. So guys, that's the food. I just want to dig in and eat, and also that's my baby food. Yeah, so we are going to dig in. Mimi nimeweka kamchele kadogo sana cause sitaki mchele. Yeah, so let us eat.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
So guys, these are the other stuffs. Yeah, so here, okay, this time round I didn't buy like greens too much cause mingi sikubai mob, cause zingine unapatanga easy greens kibai mingi, like the tomatoes, the carrots and the hohos, yani the capsicums, they get nini zinaharibika haraka, that is. So this time round I've bought cereals. This I have njahe, the black beans, the green beans, I don't know whether I'll call them the green beans. Yeah, and also the red hills and the green utu to small to green beans bado. I don't know how they are called. Ebu comment down below if you know how they are called. Yeah, ndengu, that is. Yeah, I bought them quarter. Then jahe, I bought it for 45 bob. Then ndengu, I guess 45 shillings still. This one kamande imepanda. This one is 60 bob. And this one is all, I guess, 40 shillings. Yeah. So this one a quarter. It's a quarter. Yeah, and they are going to serve us for, like, this one you're going to eat 2 days. So na sio ati tunakula kila siku. Yeah, so they are good to go. Zitatupeleka vizuri. Because cereals nowadays, I don't know. If a cup of githeri you are buying you are buying 50 shillings. Hey, it's better even you cook your own cereals. Yeah. So here I have kitungu, the string onion. As you all know me, I love this string onion. And the two ngwashes. These string onions are for 30 shillings. Yeah, and this ngwashe, the purple onion, there are 3, so for 15 shillings. The hohos, the capsicums, one was going for 10 shillings, so I bought 3. I bought 1 gadget because I have other gadgets, like 2 to 3 of them, so I bought 1. And the carrots, I bought carrots for 30 shillings, for 30 shillings. Like, one was going for 5 bob, 5 bob. The tomatoes, I bought them for 30, so I bought them for 30 shillings. Yeah, I bought them for 30 shillings, like 30. So this time round I didn't want to like buy so many, cause unapatanga mingi zingine hata zikiwa kwa fridge unapata tu zinaharibika. So it's better restocking them after a week. So these ones are going to like take me for a week and a half, maybe a week and a half. Yeah, because I only cook once, and that's at night. So the food that I cook at night, we also eat at lunchtime. So they're going to take me for 1 week and a half. Then after that, I'll buy others. Yeah, for these ones, I usually nakatanga nusu. Yeah, so guys, that's it. Hope you've enjoyed the haul. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. May God bless you all. Thank you so much. And please, guys, make sure you subscribe. If you've not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, like, share, and also comment down below. So guys, see you on my next vlog. Bye.